Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share this baby project with you all. It is a obviously baby project. This is the baby boy version. I'm calling this a year in review baby, and I want to share it with you all. I'm really excited about it, and I had to put the camera in this view because it's pretty big. It's definitely a home decor piece. It's that piece that you want to take to every baby shower, and it's totally functional, guys. Really functional, and I love that about this project. So we have the drawer down here, which is going to house all the fun baby memorabilia. And then we have all these cubes, which are going to tell the baby story from day one all the way to that amazing first year. It's adorned with this super cute teddy bear, and the teddy bear has a really sweet charm right here. It's another little bear in a box, and hopefully you can see that. And that just gets placed right there for showing. And then these cubes is what tells the entire story of the baby. So I'm going to go ahead and change the camera view for you all, and I'm going to show you what these blocks are all about. All right, so let's get to the other preview. All right, so let's get inside these blocks. They're completely decorated on all four sides, and when you're actually looking at it, this is the front, this is the back of the block, this is the front of the block. So when you pull out right here on this little ribbon tab, you're going to get your mini albums. All right, and these mini albums are really special. Okay, so they're going to be housed in this sweet little drawer right here that I'm calling a drawer, but it's just this container right here, and it goes right in there. And as you can see, it's virtually, I mean, it just fits perfectly in there, and it looks fantastic. So when you're looking at this piece on display, they work both in all different sides. So this is a completely 360-degree piece. Okay, so for the albums, I want to share with you, there are these simple blocks. I'm using the Graphic 45 Little Darlings collection for this kit and for this project. I did mine a baby boy version, but this paper is great because you can use it for either or. But these albums are not just albums, they're inspired by a hinged frame. I'm sure lots of you know what a hinged frame is. So I took that as my inspiration to create this piece. And this piece will lay again another home decor piece. You can see the baby first month, second month. And then just to take it a step further, I made mini albums to go inside. And I just adore the way this came out. So you pull it out right here through the ribbon pull, and you get simple little mini albums that tell the baby's story for each month. So each album has 2 months, or each box set, if you will, has 2 months. So for the baby's first month, second month, third month, fourth month, excuse me, you have 3 cubes. You do the math. You cover the baby's entire first year in this project. I don't want you to think this is also a standalone piece. This would also make a fantastic gift just the way it is. And you can think about primary colors. The other thought I have is that this would make a great Rubik's Cube. So for all those Generation X babies, I think it would make a great Rubik's Cube. Just picture it now, just with all those colors of the Rubik's Cube. I think any guy would appreciate that gift. So anyway, back to the baby. But again, the possibilities are endless. And with this piece alone, the possibilities are endless. This would make a great wedding style album, perfect for the bride and the groom. All right, and this is just the way they are. You can do your boy version, your girl version. The little mini albums tuck in there perfectly, and you have plenty of room to tell your story, to tell the baby story, and just capture those milestone moments, that the things they accomplish, rolling over, taking their first step, all that good stuff right in here. I was able to put the mat and a half in here, guys, so you can maximize the space on that. And I'm sure during the class and in the tutorial, I'm going to do some side pockets or something like that, just to create more interest in the mini album. But this is it. This is my baby project, is a year in review baby. And I love the way that it turned out. Look at the back. This paper is just beautiful. Absolutely love it. This is a class on my Ustream channel. There will be a kit for this as well. So check out my blog for the kit. And again, this is one of those heirloom projects that I created that it's going to be around for generations to come, I hope. And it just tucks away right there in that beautiful storage container. And I really, really love the way it turned out. I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to show you the wedding version that I'm going to make, and it'll just be the actual book, not the cubes, because the cubes are not okay for a wedding. But this on display on any side table of a wedding would be perfect, and then with the mini albums inside. Uh, the bride's family, groom's family, and then their photographs right here. So I hope that you all take advantage of the class. The schedule will be posted to my Ustream, to my blog on my Ustream schedule. And if you're interested in the kit, you can definitely pick it up on my blog. And if you cannot, then you could just pick up the tutorial and make this. So no worries. Everybody, can there's something for everybody, I think. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.